Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making our apple cake, the famous apple cake. It's very yummy. Yeah, and as in the bowl we're mixing our dry ingredients, and we have our flour, 250 grams of flour. So you're going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a half baking powder. Yeah, then we're going to put in a half teaspoon of baking soda. As you can see. Then we're going to put in a teaspoon of mixed spices. I like to add that in because it gives it a nice aroma and adds taste to the cake. Yeah, then we're going to put in a half teaspoon of the tea masala with the cinnamon. Cinnamon has that nice aroma to it, and tastes. That's it. And then we're going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, the ginger spice. It also acts as a preservative, but also adds taste to our cake. And then we mix with our dry ingredients for the cake. So for our wet ingredients, we're going to use 1 egg. We put in our 1 egg. Then we put in sugar. 10 teaspoons of sugar. So I always put the recipe in the description, so please always check the description, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to put in butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. And then we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. I like to add oil to it. It also makes it so good. That's it. Coconut oil. So you can get these ingredients anywhere in the supermarkets. I get them from Carrefour. It has all ingredients. Then you mix this. So we grind our wet ingredients to make a smooth paste. Soften the sugar and also make that smooth paste. Our wet ingredients. So we have our cut pineapple into small pieces. So you're going to add orange to it. Oranges. Like that. This is a preservative to our cake, but also adds taste to it. So we're going to mix our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients, as you can see. We need to add milk to it to make our grinding easier. Yeah, so we're going to add our mixture is ready, as you can see. So we're going to add our apple and lemon to it. Yeah, and then we mix this. Our apple cake will be ready. Cake is ready, so we're going to bake this in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes and it will be ready. I will put the recipe in the description, so if you need to check it, please check, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my channel. Yeah, that's our apple cake and it's ready. Yeah, so this is our ready apple cake. As you can see, it's ready. And it's ready to serve, and I always leave the recipe in the description, so please check it out. It's very yummy, very tasty. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the sub button and the bell ring button for new and more videos. Comment and like the videos. Try it out at home and give me your feedback. Thank you. Till we meet again.